Okay, so I've got it working. So we've got the solar panel, which goes to the solar charger, which charges the battery and also produces our load from the 12-volt battery. You have two temperature sensors, one to control the heaters on the left and one to control the up and down motion on the right. For the right, we have two dipolar switching relays operating in line of each other to both control the up and the down movement of the linear actuator. So the temperature on the right is currently at 17.4 degrees. This tells us that the lid needs to be down and the actuator is indeed down. Now, two glasses of water, one cold, one hot. If we put the probe into the hot one, this will rapidly raise the temperature and the actuator starts to move. If we then decrease the temperature, when we hit 23 degrees, the actuator stops, and when we go below 21 degrees, we start to close the lid again. Now on the left hand side, this is the temperature gauge for controlling the heating, which is of course running off standard mains voltage. So we have an inverter. Now the inverter is connected up, but will only trigger when we get to a certain temperature. So at the moment we're at 20.7 degrees. If I cool this down to 18 degrees, then the inverter comes on. And that will then power our heaters until a point where the temperature rises and then it cuts out. So temperature descending should go on. In a second, there we go. And temperature rising, turns it off. So there we've got self-enclosed heating system and lift riser for the door.